Hello, Professor Frank. Here you can see a concept we came up with for the smartphone version of our service. And as you can see, this is the sign up page. And at the beginning, before you register, you would see a map of universities and colleges in your area. You'd have to put your full name, email, university, and student ID number. And since this is the only prototype for now, I'm going to talk about some of the functions which we're planning to implement in our app in the future. So, after you register on this screen, you will jump to a next screen which will be showing your geolocation as well as the couple of options underneath the map. First option will be rent a textbook, and the second option will be list a textbook. And the reason for it is because we're just trying to make it simple for people to access our service and not to make it a complex app where people get lost when navigating. So, if you choose the first option, rent a textbook, it would bring you to the next screen with a search bar on top, where you would have to type a course name and the name of the textbook you're looking for. After, you would see a page with all the available listings for the textbook you're looking for. And also it would include a small icon looking like a small book indicating if the person who listed the textbook is willing to tutor a person for extra payment. Then, if you choose to get a book without tutoring, it will just link you up with the student and open a window with a chat, where two students will be able to talk to each other to agree on the time and a place. With this kind of function, you will not need to share your phone number with another person, meaning we care about the safety of our customers. Then, after the students agree to meet, and when the time comes, it would switch to the screen showing geolocation of both students to each other. So, this ends up with the first option, and then the second option will be list a textbook. It will bring you to the screen where you would insert the name of the course and the name of the book you used for it. It would also have an option to put a check mark if you want to be available for tutoring others. If not, you can just ignore the option and continue without it. If you would like to change that option later, of course you can. And then whenever someone gets interested in your offer, you're going to receive the notification and basically repeat all those steps for the person that's renting. You're going to talk, you're going to meet up, set up a time, set up a location, and it's just going to be really, really practical. And Professor, our idea is to connect students in order to help each other out in saving money. Nowadays, students are wasting too much money on textbooks. So providing a service that can reduce this spending is more than beneficial. And as you can see, it's just a simple navigating system where people can have an easy access. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for the semester, Professor Frank, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.